Alright, so in this lesson we're going to talk about how you win this game called chess. And how you win this game called chess is by getting your opponent's king into what we call checkmate. So what checkmate means is that you are attacking your enemy's king, the king is in check, and that it has 0 options for how to get out of check. So this means that not only is the king being attacked, but that all of the options that they have to try to get out of being attacked don't work. So instead of yesterday's video, where we move this rook down here and deliver it a check right away, which allows the king to move out here and get onto the 7th rank and then potentially get all over the middle of the board with its next moves. Instead of doing that, we're going to do something that's called controlling space. So instead of moving this rook all the way to h8, what we're going to do is move it here to h7. And what this does is this makes the rook take control over the 7th rank, and it keeps the black king from being able to ever move to that 7th rank and thus the rest of the board, because this rook is controlling it. So now that white made this move with the rook to control all this space, it's black's turn. Black has to make a move. So black can either move to here or here. Let's just say it moves to here. And so now it's white's turn, and what white can do on the next move is deliver a checkmate by moving their rook all the way to a8. If you take a look, king can't move to here because this rook is controlling this whole rank, so it can't move to here, can't move to here, can't move to here, and it can't move side to side because this rook is controlling it. So this is what's customary to happen when your king is in checkmate. If it's been done for many thousands of years, you take your finger on the king and you tilt it over, and that's where the king has fallen. This means that black loses and white wins. Give a handshake, high five, and try to play again. See if you can come up with some different ways. Maybe try using your queen and a rook to get the king in checkmate, or using your bishops and your queen, and see how many moves it takes you. Count how many moves it takes you to get the black king in checkmate using your different pieces, and then switch sides and let your friend try to play the white side and see if they can get the black king in checkmate in fewer moves. As long as you can practice this concept of checkmate and understand what it means and how to achieve it, you're doing really great for this lesson. This can be kind of tricky for some people, so just hang in there, play a few different people. Maybe they can put it in their own words that help you understand it a little bit better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next video.